In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash authentication failed. We all know how frustrating it can be when an app doesn't work as expected. Don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple steps to get things back on track. First, let's start by clearing the app cache on your Android device. This is a helpful step because cache data can sometimes cause apps to behave unexpectedly. Open the Settings app on your device. This is where you'll find all the controls and configurations for your phone. Once you're in the settings, look for the Apps section. It might be called Applications or something similar depending on your device. This section manages all the apps installed on your phone. Next up, find and select GCache from the list of apps. You might need to scroll a bit if you have many apps installed. Selecting GCache will show you all the options available for this app. Now, tap on Storage. This will take you to a screen where you can manage the storage settings of the GCache app. Here you'll find two buttons, Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that the app uses to function. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete any important data or settings from your app. It's a safe and common troubleshooting step. After clearing the cache, the next step is to restart the app. Simply close the GCache app completely and then open it again. This ensures that the app starts fresh with the cleared cache. With that ready, let's talk about why these steps are important. Clearing the cache helps to resolve many minor glitches and performance issues. It's a quick way to refresh the app without losing any personal data. Once you've restarted the app, try logging into GCache again. You should now find that the authentication issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking your internet connection or contacting GCache support for further assistance. Remember, these steps are a quick fix for common app issues. Regularly clearing app cache can keep your apps running smoothly. It's a good practice to incorporate into your routine maintenance. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've done. We opened the settings, navigated to apps, selected GCache, tapped on storage, and cleared the cache. Finally, we restarted the app to ensure the changes took effect. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, keeping your apps maintained can prevent many issues in the future.